Do you know that Ujai will like Mommy Jori? They go to toast Mommy Jori, say he like her. So the guy was fighting me because he might tell him, say, now, me cause away, Mommy Jori no great for her. Me, I don't even know anything. Now, video when I do one day, when I call the talk the video for Facebook, I say this guy, they like Mommy Jori. The way he's talking to say, hey, Mommy Jori go see, Mommy Jori have a man. Because say, you never see that they do marriage for outside. You see why you don't know that he have a man? Is she a baby? Eh? This life get the way we be. I don't know why people don't go for people who they can really afford. People who they can carry.
Yes, my people, una good afternoon. Make una me share this video. Go call Rita Gogobiri come. Rita Gogobiri, me una go call her come. Una call listen to what he talk. My people, I know they deny what I do. Now what I do, now they talk. This video when I want play for now, so I want me to listen. Now person called me this afternoon. He said Franco Mozuo, or the Olaluwe. He blocked video. He put my picture. Where Rita Gogobiri, the woman where they get vibros, where born for 4 men for social media. Say he mentioned my name. Say me go the toast Iyore. Yes, my people. Una good afternoon. God will bless all of you. Make una share the video. I be picking when not the talk lie. 14 years ago. When I go Paris, I toast Mommy Iyore. When we can't call live videos since then. Iyore, I toast Iyore when I go Paris 14 years ago. Since then, when we meet for social media, I know say he get it boma for house. That time me with my wife no day. I know say gay. I don't first explain this matter. When I go to change that the one at the weight, when I explain for now, one at the weight. Mujani explain it. I toast her 14 years ago. But when we call social media, I never put this mama toast Iyore once again. If any video day or if Iyore or Moses go come out, come tell the world we are for toast time. I don't they talk and they call right from time say I toast time 14 years ago. Well, most will come, most will go talk. He can't go change my word, say I sleep with her. He can't go tell Primo TV, say I sleep with Iyore. He can't go change my word. So, Rita Gogobiri come out yesterday now. I don't know the day we do the video. The match when he take the talk way wide this year, we not take get sense. Iyore na woman. If I like a woman, you understand me, Rita Yemie? I like better thing as you talk on. Man will not like better thing, not be man. I'm not going to deny that one. But you fool yourself, Rita. You mean you disgrace yourself. I don't see and say you be woman will not get sense if you get sense. I told Iyore or Mose 14 years ago for Paris when I go Paris. Since then when we call social media since then, I never put this mama to Iyore again. I never put mama to Iyore again. You the talk say I like Iyore. I like him. I like him. I don't know if you tell you I don't like him. But since when we come social media, me we can come meet for social media. I don't want to take this mama to Iyore again. So how you call the talk say how you call the thing first line now? Who they talk like for you with Iyore now? I want to know. I want to know who they talk like for you with Iyore now. Whether Iyore go fit come talk and I say, since when me come social media, whether me don't take this mama toast Iyore again, me Iyore can tell the whole world. I not say I not toast her. I toast her 14 years ago for Paris. Since when we come social media, I never take this mama toast Iyore. For what he do when I did for Paris, when I go Paris. Now that now I take the look at if a person talk to her, I go come and talk. I will come. If person come and talk to Iyore, I come and block the person. If person talk to Iyore, I come quarrel with the person. All those one where they talk, so I don't see one fight. You say you know Iyore, and I don't see one fight where you fight for Iyore for this social media. Now me when you say toast Iyore, or when you say Iyore no like person where you go school. Now me fight for Iyore for this social media. Come show me one video where you take fight for Iyore, where this Iyore get problem for this social media. The whole world see the way I take carry a matter put for head. As far as where Rosie Page say sleep with her husband. Now me quench that matter that day. You do for social media, you not talk put. You know voice put. I like as a person, I make me to do all those one. The follow one when I do follow them. I like as a person, I can never deny what I do, but I dey hate lie. Almost what I come, Olaluwe, Gbola. He say me sleep with Iyore. He go pull life for my head for Pramo TV and. Now you they come now, whether na Iyore they talk loud, whether na you they talk loud, I not gonna know. I dey see and since then when I dey talk to you, Iyore they throw me parable. I not be picky way no parable. The man say if I not go school, I not be picky way no parable. I want to play this video for people make they see your foolishness, Rita. I know they deny what I do 14 years ago. When I go Paris, I told Iyore, I know they deny. He helped me well. He helped me. For the food when I dey eat for a store, I know they pay put. I don't fight talk several times. I say they want, I'm supposed to marry and I be waiting at the talk for right from time. I know they deny my word. Man, you know, cause they say you as you come talk, say you want to fool me, you dey fool yourself, you dey fool Iyore. I want to make you understand. If you say me not go school, Iyore like my way go school. Upon the way that they carry my way go school, rich. I not be as the day, night the day. As the day, my way go school, not they give the peace. I be no. You see the whole relationship we started today. Now my way go school, all of them are married. You don't get peaceful. I want to listen to this your video. Why I plan to you. You talk one word. You say I don't come out leave my way. Woman don't come out leave me. You not get sense retire me or you not get sense. How many man you come out leave? More plan more na yera. I see for most work page. Almost what you don't get sense so. You just be or memo election most work. We no lalo the pekus where you leak it. E sage no lalo mu area ne. Rita me talk to you. You not block the video. Rita, you may talk to you, not block a video. Where you see the one way they take talk to me now, you they run come and call the blogger. It make you a foolish man or Moswell. Rita, you may I said 3 days ago where they beat you with your wife. You not feel the plan. Now video where Rita, you make take talk like now. Now you they run the block or Moswell. It make you a foolish man. I go tell you I said I may be me be Messiah of Facebook. So more listen to your video, Rita, you may akpavio a way. You just say I should do Osazo Wegi, you can try it for my body. You cannot try it. As you do Osazo Wegi, you still say you fit try for my body. If I do you for this social media, because you be evil when don't let Osazo Wegi with Iyore settle. Because you were looking for that chance of Osazo Wegi to stay in that chance. I'm telling you, what Osazo Wegi do for Iyore, you never do half of it. But you come out of social media because of your evil, because of your nonsense, because of your bitterness with Ayemie. You say you beat to Osazo Wegi. So I dey wait for you since then. You don't fall for my trap now. This video I come plan this afternoon now. I don't come plan this afternoon. I want me Iyore come tell. I want me Iyore come tell the whole world. Apart from when me toast for Paris 14 years ago, since when we come meet for live video, whether me don't put this my mouth toast and say, Iyore, I want to see friend you again. Because you talk of inside this video, say, Iyore dey for husband house, me go the toast town. I want where the whole world, where go know the truth, where go believe on the truth. May they ask Iyore since when he marry, since when me no say he marry, when he say he get a bomber for house, since when we jump for Facebook. I want me the whole world help me ask Iyore, presenters, Mona help me ask Iyore. Whether me don't put this my mouth to Iyore again. Now the question when I want to ask. Because no person where they talk like for all those women. My papa tell me say, if you follow Ashawo Waka, Ashawo the spoil person name. My papa tell me, no be say I don't know. I regret for me to follow all those Ashawo Waka. I don't know say so it go be. Ashawo no know good way that they do for them. Rita, you know whether they pity papa for this social media. I stand for them for them. Iyore whether they insult for this social media, and they insult everybody because of Iyore. Iyore and I go tell Rita, you may not say, me call the toast after after this when we see for live video. Whether me don't put this my mouth to Iyore again, and what made the whole world help me ask question. It's all a simple case. More play the video, now make people listen. Iyore not be bad woman. Iyore not be bad woman. If I toast her not be bad thing, but I the 8 lies. I dey hate lies. If I toast Iyore, not be bad thing. If they toast woman before, if woman say no agree, you go find another one. But since when we meet for Paris for 14 years ago, since when we there for live video, now the question I want Mona call me ask Iyore, because when I dey talk to Rita since then, I dey see Iyore dey throw parable, I go just dey laugh. I go just dey laugh. You know say Ashawo not dey see the one way they do. Now the one way you do Ashawo, now Ashawo they see you. We want to enter the matter now. We want to enter the matter. Mona call who they talk live for this social media. When I play the video, Mona listen.
Wow, he was fighting me because he might tell us now because away Iyore no green for her. Me, I don't even know anything. Now video when I do one day, when I turn the talk the video for Facebook, I say, I said this guy they like Iyore. The way he's talking to say, hey, Iyore go see Iyore have a man. Because you never see that they do marriage for outside. You see why you don't know that he have a man? Is she a baby? Eh? This life get the way we be. I don't know why people don't go for people who they can really afford. People who they can carry. Now wow, please my darling people, Iyore get the kind man we like. He like Bofki. He like me we go school. Me we know it they die zazi. He can definitely not come and carry church rats. Church rats from the street. Ha! It's so big career, my darling. You where everybody just say and say for this Facebook, who were their career, you're the first time when you carry your fan of career. You carry children wrong, go meet another man.
Shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth. You may want come the war soon where the we are lie. You said the first woman when I off, the first one when I jam, I off a career, you don't go carry go meet man. Now me buy ticket for her. I not be like you when for man abandon. For man I abandon you. Not see the one way there for your body. Now woman when you come out leave me, now you they complain about. You not come out leave man. You not come out leave man retire me. You know say you not get sense. You call the war. Who were all war retire me? And I remember if I tell you say Ashawo no know how to talk. Ashawo they talk verbally. They know they control their mouth if they talk. You say Iyore dey for husband as I go they toast Iyore. And what made the old world call me as Iyore since when he know Igbo man till now. Apart from the time we'll see for Paris, whether me don't toast Iyore, made the old world come ask him. And what made they call me ask question? Whether na Iyore go tell you lie, whether na you they forge you, made the whole world know they talk truth. If I toast to Iyore since when he get husband for house, when he get Igbo man for house, as I come here, I'll still come talking. I'll still come talking, but lie, they hate lies. I they hate lies. So I want me to help me ask Rita, me where forget that word. I not deny as I come here. You know if you coming for that line, coming for the other line. You know if you coming for that line, you know say, coming for that line. I don't know if you coming for that line. More will listen. More will listen.
Eh? How can you come and say you want to now follow somebody like Iyore? What do you have to give to her? Do you have education that you have to use to uplift her? She's a person who do Facebook work. She likes social media like anything. She's even trying to upgrade herself.
I don't get education to give her. If I got toast, you not be education, they take the marry. Una papa with mama were born una, they not go school. They say they are married, they see them for their marriage now. Una way so una go school. How many husbands you don't count? 4 husbands retire me. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Your boy couldn't wear retire me. School now, they take school, they deceive una self. All the education man will not follow now. Where all of them now? They take una, they do yeah, you know this here. What you want to try to tell the world now? You don't know if you follow a person like me. No, go follow the one we like now. You go follow the one we like. You just say me only, Iyore may not follow the one we like. You hear anywhere for tell Iyore may not follow my way like. I told her 14 years ago, I'm not they deny. I always they talk and say Iyore is supposed to be the woman. I decide not come back to Spain. It's supposed to be woman when I want to marry. Since when we meet body for Facebook since then, This one where they talk, I know say Iyore dey for husband house. I go the toast town. It's a probido in my side. It's a abomination in my side. Me native daughter. I know say Iyore dey for husband house. I go the toast town. So I want me the whole world, the whole presenters, Mona help me ask question. Who's saying Iyore dey for husband house with me toast town? When Rita you made the talk now. I want me the whole world tell me. I know say Iyore go come out and I go join Rita Yemie, but when we don't start time, the truth go reveal. You don't see where this woman, where they call this woman, Rose Page, where it say you sleep with your husband. It lasts for 3 years before I enter the matter, before we say the truth. When all of them, they quarrel, follow Iyore, they fight for this Edo Saba space. I enter, we say, all of them give a chance. I want more people help me ask questions. The time when Iyore take day for husband house, when I come go the toast town. More will listen, they go.
If you know the read comment by yourself, you will never even submit the read good money for your comment section. If you see comment section, they say they write good money, you don't feel right now. You don't feel.
I'm not denying I'm Rita Yemie. I'm not denying. I not be presenter. I be native daughter. I be you stupid. I'm not me people will not go school we don't know how to read. I know they deny them. Talk close to you go talk and I go they deny say as I be read good morning. As I be read good evening. I know I be read good morning. I know I be read good evening. But my personality matters a lot. My personality matters a lot, Rita Yemie. You are just a ashawo glekin. Ashawo will not get sense. Now Iyore matter you want to talk, say you want to fight me now. When you come out that they say you go to beat me, you go to beat me. I toast Iyore now be problem now. Who say I take toast Iyore? Now when he dey husband house or when he never dey for husband house. Now that I want me with Iyore to clarify. I know they deny them. When I go Paris 14 years ago, Iyore do good for me. It do good for me. I know they deny them. Say because say Iyore they join you now. Ashawo must join Ashawo. Say I call they deny say no do good for me. I always do for me for Paris. I go see talk am. But I not sleep with them. I know say on Boswell, go take me go sleep with Primo TV. You go they talk live for that same friend Iyore. I sleep with Iyore. All and lie. All and lie. But now Rita Yemie. What when I want to ask you Rita Yemie now? Whose time me toast Iyore when he dey for husband house? Me will be native daughter. I know say he get boyfriend. I know say he get a dioma for house. Now me come go the toaster when he get dioma. A dioma does it back. I know say he get Gbola for house. Me come go the toaster. I want me people help me house. This video blogger make una help me house. The time when I take toaster. Mona come no say I dey spoil woman wey dey for husband house. Because any man will go to toast woman waiting for husband house. Now bad man. But if they can't talk, they pull life for my head. I go bring go juju. I go swear put for house. You're a simple case. I go swear put. If I toast Iyore when he did for husband house, but when he get to you, no, that time for Paris, I know say get to Yibo. For Paris, I know say get to Yibo. But since when he did with Igbo man hand, if I toast Iyore, I want my people come. I want my people help me ask. So the call when they come in, one answer the call. So we open out the go.
You can't write. You can't do anything for yourself. You'll be liking a person like mommy.
Okay. No cut am.
Okay. Some people are too desperate in this life. My darling people, more now open eyes for ground. Not be all men person they carry come out to say that my boyfriend be this. No. Not be all men. And somebody like that.
Rita Yemie. 4 men are you don't born for. 4 men are you don't born for. Go bring out the old men come out. Whether they get the one will reach me. Bring your go bring come and Manos book. Manos said that they read. Bring your go bring whether I reach my standards. Rita, I want to prove to the world whether you're the husband go biri when no circumcised. Just don't risk don't if don't talk to my category, your husband go biri. Let us forget about school. Let us make personality go biri no varishan. We know you as a liar in this those space right for time. Now so you come and come tell us say go bring a politics. Go bring we go do marriage where they not see for outside. Family not go, papa not go, mama not go. Now you say better pass me. You just say if really say I want marry Iyore, I'll go to do the kind of marriage where you do for backyard. Rita you just say really if you want marry Iyore, for instance, the kind of marriage where you do where they not see your husband family, you know me want follow Iyore do. But not be that to academic corner. I want to ask you a question. Una the craze. Una not get sense. I shall go my brother say for follow I shall work at this person name. I go to do now for this those cyber space. Una no say I'm not jam. When we new start so body go the hot now. Body go the hot now. No, the thing say that to take treat Osazo Wege, you want to talk to me Rita. Because you are evil person. Now you cause that more quarrel way happen for Sazowege. I want to settle them inside. I want to make peace because my eye really waiting happen. What Sazowege do for Iyore for this cyber space? The third thing I want to see happen. So Iyore can tell you say me toast time when they for husband house. No problem. No problem. But I want to plan for the world. If I ever toast Iyore now, when he said, who shows my get? He not put money for his head. He not marry him. Talk like say I not toast him when he there for a bomb my house now. When you for see this lie where they put for my head, now so I shall what they talk like. My papa tell me say I shall what talk be. Era me tama na marry. Rita yemi I shall what talk. Ogun ke agbo Wow, I been one. What he didn't yet back young. Yet by another plan. You. Wow.
Listen. Where we they talk so? Now this small men where they do small juju they go for streets. Now this men now this men where they do juju they go for street. I be a native doctor, not be say I go to do for street. I be native doctor retire me. I they do juju. I know they take a juju carry woman. If I want to take a juju carry woman, this is your is then. I don't control, you don't there for my house. If you don't know me, I they tell you now. I know they take a juju. I feel one for that person. I know they take a juju carry woman. You hear me? You are just a mad woman retired me. Everywhere come. You think I be a Muslim way not know how to talk to you. You think I be a Muslim way they lick no la lesage necessity go no one here. You know see Pama when not the shame. Rita Yemi they talk to you since then. You know if you blog a video for your page. The one where Rita Yemi talk to me now, you go to blog am for your page. Now I say on agele me come the go almost now. We agele no. It's a personality to me. If you not going to talk for the words I told Iyore, I try, it not succeed. I need to be happy. Not be all man go figure to some more. For instance, if you look at so Iyore is so superior to your life. If you look and say Iyore is very superior to your life, not be all man go fit toast am. If me go toast am, you not say I be man when he sick me. I be man when he capable. I'm a man timber caliber. If you don't know, I tell you now say I be man of caliber. If I feel go toast Iyore, say there for husband, as I go the toast am, they talk like so. The whole world need to clap for me. Say I try. Rita, you may say I try when I go see toast am. You hear? Because you no get sense. Because who are Rita, you me. Wakirek baby kawaki. Everyone but not there for na max. I go to do now for this just about space. When the new start, when I go get mato. When I go do wa. When I see all the old people with the jam is then. When you start, all of them will do wa. But when I start to follow them, now they go run head house. Now they go they run head house. Iyore do good for me. When I do my documents, it still do good for me. It fans.
Two of the fans give me money when I take to pay my tax. I no go deny am. But Iyore they follow you, they fight me. Iyore they follow you, they fight me. You don't remember the good way me do. Now the good way Iyore do for me. Now Iyore they sing. Iyore no remember good way me do. When man and woman they insult me. When they call me Ogyoba because of Iyore. Iyore no know that one. Now the one way you do for me, now they talk. The one way the people they call me Ogyoba because of Iyore. Iyore no remember that one. More listen. More listen.
They do small juju. Even when they were below here. Now know what they call a below here. All those men will like having back where they follow in your bonegi. Yeah, we were below here. Man, when they were below here, they will come to sleep with those women for their dream. All those men will like it back with and all those things and whatever. If you near those kind of men,
I go to the world, Nigeria to the world. When I call this social media, what I tell you, I say I be native doctor, I do juju. I do for people. Now the one way you want to talk now, the people talk. The one way you want to talk now, people want to run for me when they don't know say I do juju before. Way. If they do some more juju, if they do some more juju, oh, come back retire, me also. You say that man.
Their desperation, the way they take lifetime woman. You see when Iyore just come out now, she cute, she fine. Iyore sabi read and write. Yes, man.
Yes, it's sabi read and write. I don't know how to read and write. If I'm married, I go they read for me. Abi? Iyore know how to read and write. If I'm married, I go they read for me. Native daughter like fine woman, just now fine woman, we not get fine woman. Pastor wife, now they find pass. Native daughter wife, now they find pass. Now today you start to hear them. Well, he say your cause he talk. When I Messiah of Facebook, new generation, is capable to reply you. Is capable to drive you inside. I said, get inside, you are a foolish woman. Among the old women, they do cyber space. I said, get inside. You are inability cowards. Inability coward with Ayemie. Nuisance in the society. Need down your if you're going to act by 50. And maybe another year because they just send that for me and now I come out. I don't listen. I can't play the video.
She's a bit that she the right at up with them on your message and whatever. This one will be talk, so this man will be talk, so you don't even sabi writing name. You don't know me.
Hey, Rita, Iyore. Then wait there for my document, na me the write am. Then wait there for my document, na me the write am. As I be write my name, and as I be write sentence. Rita, Iyore, as I be write my name, as I be sign, but as I be write long letter. You 1 year and finish, the whole world 1 year and I be here down your way. The whole world not there for you. The whole world not there for you the time. Which one you want to talk? Which one you want to talk again? Ah, what bad you are, where? Iyore sabi write. Me no know how to write. As I don't know how to write, if I marry Iyore, go they write for me. Not be me start to marry woman way not be me be my way not know how to write. Many men plenty way not to write, know how to write. Their woman they write for them. They too select, they not go select where. A selection go work yana ni ha, why be build yana ni ha. A selection, na the feelings una so. They say na okay, I why ya come. Okay, I why ya come. Eh, me na Gbola ni ora ma ta to bo. Wetin they find they go dey for my arm, e dey for my pan. If una no know they tell una wetin una dey find, ogege nu ma, ogege kin ya dey etwore ogege. Let's say okpeta kin na dey e kin na dey etwore. E me na Gbola na zeka na le kazi na zekia wo kawudoni iri eniyan. Do my hand. Not be that one I want to talk for you. But I can't debunk your lies. I not toast them. I toast them when I go Paris those years. Since when we come live video? If me don't toast Iyore, since when we come live video, me Iyore can't tell the world. I been at the one when I toast am for Paris. Now you dey talk now. If na him, I not deny me. I toast am. Food when I dey chop for Paris. Now Iyore dey give me food dey chop. I don't dey fight dey talk. Cannot be today I start am. But you with Iyore want join together fight me now. You with Iyore want. I dey see when I go dey talk to you since then. Iyore go dey throw parable for me. For all the old good when I do for una. They beat your papa Rita Yemie. I cannot put for head. Iyore offend Bini. I cannot put for head. Other people come. Rose Page come. For more than 3 years where they drag Iyore they come. I call Mama Joy. I call Cynthia. William. We join together. I take off the matter. You did there Rita Yemie. You say Iyore na your mentor. You not come and drag Rosie Page. Where they drag and where this matter they hot for those cyber space where they drag Iyore they go. Now me with Sazowe again, I carry chest face time. You don't drive a Sazowe again for a body now. Now me call remaining traits. I don't get what here they take and they do. But as they talk to the public, are you more jabuna a day? You will not forget them as spoil me, but the mat won't test spoil me. Time go come. Una go lead down the beg put for the mat won't test spoil me. Una go lead down, go the beg for the mat won't test spoil me. You say I don't know how to read it. You don't know how to read good morning. If I carry Iyore sit down for side of my corner, if the right come, go say good morning. Na bati. Uwe do Rita. Yeah, can we. Yeah, make well that's all go.
It's a friend to bless you. Hey, go marry bless you. Hey, just tell bless you.
You don't see your stupidness now. Kota, didn't be there, you disturb me. Kota, they disturb me. Kota, they disturb me. So, you don't see your stupidness now. Mona call of Deshi, Mona call the rest people for me. Mona call of them, Mona call listen to this part. You the type me now say I toast Iyore, what you call concern with a lot of our side now. You the talk say I toast Iyore now. What you call concern lot of our side now. I dey come one call person. One call person. What you call concern lot of our side. This matter now you the find Lolo now. Now you the find Lolo now. If they come now, Lolo see this video, they come answer you. Don't say na Lolo find trouble. You see Ashawo no good. Ashawo is stupid like Rita Yemie. Hello? Mon plan. Eh? When I wait, the earphone they connect for the two phone. When I come out and first.
Me just tell bless you say I don't pass your husband, let me marry you. That one will be good. Don't be saying me even reasoning it, my darling. Come out now, she cute, she fine. Iyore sabi read and write. Yes now. She sabi read and she the write a topic them Iyore message you and whatever. This one will be the talk, so this man will be the talk, so you don't even sabi write in name. You don't know B.
Woman wey no A wey no B, you do. You write, you know B, you know read. I don't know one. I know they deny to the world. I know they deny to the world say I know B, I know A, but my document, na me they write my name for God office. As I dey go school since then, na me they write my name. The morning you first write your name. You go write your name, you go sign. Like the writer, I know sabi write letter. I know sabi say good morning. But the one when I know, I don't. It there for my brain, my name. When you say I don't know how to write my name, it there for my brain. I shall be write my name. Which other thing you want? Which line you going to talk now? You want to talk now? You say when I go tell Lupesio, as you call him with this video, Lolo na me know I put. Now for you to make a shower where they make trouble for everywhere now you be. You Iyore can tell you now say I toast and what you call concern Lolo for his side now. You see the way you say they make trouble. When I go marry Lolo, when I tell her say I young pass your husband, you know say I young. You know say I young, be young give bobo. You know say I young. You know say I be young man. When it dey vibrant. You know say you talking with your mouth. Say I young. When I go tell Lolo, me leave your husband, me come marry me, you know say I young. You see your stupidness. You see your waywardness. You don't see your stupidness, Rita. You may say you no get sense. More listen.
She's trying to bless you. Hey, go marry bless you. Me just tell bless you, say I don't pass your husband, let me marry you. That one will be good. Don't be saying me even reasoning it, my darling. They make
you know see where una wey be women. Una wey be women when I go dey fall for trouble. Where una dey fall for trap. Waiting God, for instance, say God destiny something for una. Una take una hand through una because of immaterial things of the world. Now make many of una change to single mother today. Now make many made useless una today. Many may go chop una money up. Wait una go friend man for 10 years. You know go green marry una. Now all this una wait una dey find they go. Wait una not work. Wait una not be. Go una dey find they go. Now they cause for una body. I not go school. Not be only me one start away not go school. There are people there no way not go school. Where they married to graduate. I'm still married to graduate. I'm still very young. I'm not the fine woman they go. I'm not in hurry. One woman coming that day. He talk one word, say I go home one. Now I the one that is there before you can't do this video. I talked to Iyore for Paris. Since when we call live video, I never talk to Iyore. Say I want friend Iyore. Since when we call live video. I never talk to her. If Iyore say I don't talk to her, she can't tell you so. I want me Iyore come prove and say whether me don't talk to her. If he talk lie, he say they serve any cow now juju. Any cow now juju. He saying they serve any cow. Meaning any person where they serve any cow not be Christian now because now juju as when I talk any cow. It's a good tradition. A bono. Any cow. So we'll bring the any cow come out for Benin. Everybody pour and me will swear. I know say I not toast her. I toast her 14 years ago. Since when we come live video, me with her they talk. Whether I don't toast her. Now Iyore go come and say this one.
Something they make me.
Hello?
Hello?
Hello, good morning.
Hey, pardon,
Call you okay.
Domo, sir.
I did live video.
I know, yeah, contribute to you.
Contribute.
You only go to talk one of Bell.
Oh, we are. Where?
You say laugh person. You not, you're not person. You dey laugh. You laugh about this about you don't go school. You go school. Not be JSS 2 dropouts. Now you be for St. Margaret. Rita, JSS 2 dropouts. Now you be for St. Margaret. St. Margaret. JSS 2 dropouts. Do you know how to speak English? You can't even write. You're not ashamed of yourself. You don't have an adulterous woman. Adulterous woman, a daughter of an adulterous woman. You still have the right, the guts to talk. on social media. Wow, oh, he useless woman. I shower me. When we are piano, wow, you know the fear they call one on them for your dead face. That your white mouth. You see the trouble you define so, Rita. You see the trouble you define so, you go over.
Where's your penny? Okay, I'll find you.
You see this trouble you define so, you go over you. Okay, I'll find away.
When they concern a lot of inside this matter now, where they put a lot of journal.
You see when you fight for a lot of body, one lie Rita, you go see and you go tire you all how way. One pair of you stupid woman. You stark illiterate. Stark illiterate, that's what you are, Rita. JSS to drop out from fake Maragoti. What may I open your nash? What may I bring your secret come out? Wow, Sarah, stupid. Pardon me.
What? You know where you're going. Even what school now, Hina. Imagine a game away. Since we Iyore go at a big work bay. Even in Melelekia, no one, mine. Nina Kawi on a hazel, this one I want to take, this one I want to take. Some of them I graduate young. PhD owner no booking way. Mosiegbe. I don't want to go to marriage orness. I don't want to go into marriage with orness. I have to wash well before I go to marriage. Woman is not my problem. I like fine woman. You cannot compare Iyore with this woman when it comes so. You cannot compare Iyore, the fineness, the yellowness of this woman with Iyore. You cannot bracket it together. It's quite different. Agua lukinebo, emawe not seeing now kinebo. Are you hearing me, Rita? You correct me. You could was in a Uwaya Lelagua. Iyego kono kwama okonoma sokona. Beni ya dose, we gbe Iyore, beni ya dose iye kan ya yo to. So Iyore we ade ba when anye ku me. We had this day in my year school. In my video in Iyore 3 days ago. Woga tagwe initrate party nitrate we are practic be agato we are. Ina giekwa, ina we be a car. Ima we Iyore ma weseme. We will pay tax in our va or contact we no pay tax me. Iyore ma go mede ma like social media. But we pay tax in our va control me. Eyo we go gume. Ejo do go gume. E France all go gume. Italy when mi ya je. But then Iyore ya de ba we. We are lele me kon. O feel tangume. Aru va ga agwe o ma gwegun yu lawa. Anyway, what to work one that feel tangume. Iyore do tell him no atalo. Do tell him no atalo need to analyze. Benu we say me. Ese ni me unu wo say. Ese ni me unu we. O say. E ma ga ro we social media. Iji phone tiyan. Iti okpa no re Paris. Ona so amu me jaga. Ona moteme, ona mo yala jan se ni unu Iyore. Gbege je ni re ni ha. O we Iyore. E o wana alele kian. But ba o ma gbe work kan we when I feel it tagi me. O setting any ha. Even wonu do talo. E o gen we kaya tame. Rita yemi na Iyore. Di me na toast to we. Ni ma yala live video a day. Di me yera no me na toast we ni ma yala live video a day. Iyore do ta magbon. I toast we e go na ame bo be Paris. Nu wa wo gbo ya ro wa pa. Di me yera no me na toast we. Do ta magbon Iyore.
Mira, la grúa va para allá con el coche. Ah, te acaban de llamar ellos. Ah, vale. Nada, pues tú mira ver lo que es.
Do you know that Ujai will like Mom Iyore? They go the toast Mom Ijori, say he like her. So the guy he was fighting me because he might tell him say na me cause away Mom Ijori no green for her. Me, I don't even know anything. Now video when I do one day, when I come to talk the video for Facebook, I say this guy they like.
I know they deny am. Nobody hear when they talk around for time. People nobody hear when I talk around for time. Say if it is say I want, it is say I not come Spain. Now you're there for marry. I toast her. Say a woman when I like. Who sure you want to talk again? Not be because of I call they talk to you. Rita, you be evil way they destroy those Sabbath place. I don't take time wash you. It is say me not use time for your sense for your body. I for carry many enemy for this do Sabbath space. I dey repeat them. I dey repeat them. Don't praise me with see they talk today. It is say I follow you what you they tell me for a house for don't praise body. Me we don't pray for scatter body for this social media retire me. We don't praise they insult you that time. You know how many times you send the video for me when I can't insult them. But I use my own sense. I use my own sense. You know how many times you tell me say when I can't insult a lolo? When I call you, tell you say before I come to insult you, say why you go to talk to lolo the way you talk to lolo. All of you are friends. What will happen? Now you go travel, come. You start to talk to them. I be Lolo friend. Lolo na my sister. Now only Lolo now I be say now I don't see be the woman where they give me respect for this Sabbath space. When nobody throw mat can give me once. When I fight for Iyore, I don't fight the battle finish. Sazogwegi. Now he put to Sazogwegi for life. We go tell me why I go to throw away my egg why. When me toss I be native doctor, you to Sazogwegi could call me. Sazogwegi sit there alive, go can't talk him. He don't take away Iyore they underrate me. So we want to do the head now. May you're finished. As he's saying superior. Maybe nobody will be picking, we don't go school, but people go see the end with the way we'll take the gun. Mom na pack una purpose come out, mom na pack una purpose come out, mom na pack they come out. I don't get time for una purpose. I don't get time for una purpose. But una go hear and hot. Rita Yemie, you don't cause quarrel for me with Iyore Abi. You don't cause quarrel for me with Iyore. Iyore not use the sense. He not say that you will come beat and last. When you come the beat and now they know see person we go drag for them again. As I dey talk and po, as I dey talk and so many Iyore members go see this video. When it go do happen, I can't say Prophet Atiti, they see front. If they see what will happen for front. She said, since when you drag Iyore near body, Iyore come up for the track when it day. Now be waiting at the quarter for semi. Now be waiting at the quarter puto. I said that they insult and not they like. Just the person when I like, if they insult and I go the verse. The person when I like. But the like one they put for my head so. Now me call the debunk. Since when we come live video, if people don't tell Iyore say I love you. I want you to more settle, more come back. Or that toast when I toast you remain that time. I want to continue more come back. Now my duty to do it before. Now my duty to start to I go to disturb Iyore every time. If you not agree, I do juju when I know, I go use them for run. But I know you take a juju carry woman with me one friend. I feel do one for person, but the woman with me one friend, I know you take a juju carry on. If I know say I love the woman, I know say I love her. You get what I go do. Oh, say big bug, we can already argue. Oh, we do what we go along. Okay, say pray apart where they go pray, we go walk. Or say big bug, that's a domina 10 years, 4 years. Oh, we do what do you my walk. That is just the truth of the matter. I just tell you what my heart. But the life won't put for my body now, the debunk now. You dey mention a Lolo name. What did Lolo can do for inside this matter now? What did Lolo can do for inside this matter now? Iyore tell you say I call the toaster when he did for husbands. What did you call Lolo for inside this matter now? Move they go.
Iyore. The way he's talking to say, hey, Iyore goes, Iyore not married. It's not about being married or not. She have a person which she won't marry to. Me and my husband, we have been.
He have a person they ask you question there it are you say get a person we want marry. Me marry Anna. But me not toaster. You don't see where the person they talk to you say I'm not toaster now. Move they go.
For so many years together. I think we are not going to 3 years in marriage. That doesn't matter. Say you deal with person and never marry. So because of that one go to a be like foul go just come out. One go to where be like foul go just.
Rita, ogun ogbo asun wedere woro you are a goat, a walk ashawo. Ashawo we vibros don't dey for under finance. Ashawo we vibros don't dey for under finance. Ashawo we born for 4 men, we not the shame. Person we not go school no better pass you. You say you go school, you go born for 4 men, you not say you be illiterate. You are the worst illiterate. A woman will go school on the born for 4 men. Me will be illiterate now, only 1 woman born for me. You will go school. How many men you born for? 4. Are you not ashamed of yourself, Rita? You want to teach Iyore bad way. You are pushing Iyore to bad way. After this my battle, people go see the Evini Yerukmogwe. People go see Evina Rukmogwe. I'm very happy today. I'm very happy today. Evini Yerukmogwe abege ubuwa ya fefefe. Me. Wa agbuna wa Iyore wa agbuna gbelu wa social media na ma we dan unwe we oma.
Come out for corner, you say I want to marry you because of say they never pay your bride price. Any man where they rush, they pay bride price. They don't like you, they just want to hold you. Because they see and say that one is a pity marriage. That one be like person wey pity you, you can't carry bride price for front. Say man pity you, me. What?
If the same one wrong marriage is there, I have women in Canada. It don't reach 4 women where Iyore don't bring for me. Me with Iyore na best friend. Now since when you cause this quarrel, where they cause this quarrel, the economic with Iyore they give each other gap. No day me with Iyore no they talk before. Ask am whether I don't toast am. Since when we come social media, ask Iyore whether I don't toast am. Me Iyore can't talk truth. Me Iyore can't talk truth whether me don't toast am. No day we will not they talk. Because of Iyore, I carry many enemy where your husband not fit carry because of her. The Igbo man when he put for house not fit carry the enemy when I carry because of Iyore. When I carry for this Edu Sabbath space. Everywhere I say. Now so I want to pay me good. 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 Rita, Yemi, you see, you don't cause quarrel for everywhere now. You don't drag Iyore, me with Iyore. Now Iyore name me the measure. Now Iyore go come with the measure my name. Enemy go they happy at Rita Yemi. Now what do you find now? Now what do you find? You don't want to Sazowe Gina me call remain now. You don't win the battle, but yeah, you go Wayao. I go to deal with one for this I just about this. I will tell you say na me be illiterate. I go tell you say illiterate, illiterate. I go tell you say illiterate, not the shame. No, I go the shame when I do now for this Edo Sabbath space. Hey, say to na go quiet to na mat. Ogun Gbeluwa, why sunwu? Wow, what are you people teaching people in the Edo Sabbath space? I was waiting for a day like this for Rita to push everybody to arts. Now that you push everybody arts, it's very good. But one question I begin to ask now, Edo to the world. What is concern Lolo for inside this matter now? But it concern Lolo for inside this matter. When I first call my mama, I report to my mama first. Because any video when I do, I report to my mama before I go start video.
What's that?
No need.
Now bride price. He says, so why will someone be eyeing her? Now, All those yeye local champion kind of men wey dey do it below here. We don't know the one with them dey. On the eye, somebody like Mommy Iyore wey fine anyhow. Wey beauty.
Iyore no fine. Iyore no fine. Iyore not fine. Now likeness. Now get for Iyore. I dey tell for the word of the president of the world today, Iyore no fine and like I get for him. I remember what he do for me when I go Paris. I collect many insults. What I'm not supposed to carry, I face some because of him. I talk and say, if I don't got documents, when I don't, as that beneath big rich. Now when I gather money first, I go gather money, I say buy ticket, follow me, I go take and go inside Benin. And I know beside the proud. I tell you, I say, I saw you do. If because they come to the time when I want to take your hand now, say, Leleven, we are going to that Edo state. It will not be my own way. It does reach the time now. You don't see evil, Rita, evil, we don't need good thing. I not get money, oh. I not get money. But the personality in your man in me, I'm not proud with your man in me. I was waiting for a day like this. I know say you go cause quarrel before we plan say we they go Benin. As I they talking for the whole world they look me. I be want gather money because if I say me bring money, you already go in na area do every go ya phone. Or your phone or you form so that they be near we making that way. E matter no right come wana. Oh we go give me so that they go you go ya phone. I be want gather money say Iyore la regia pa the area do ni. Have you go to no badge. Have you go to no do. I will surprise people in social media. The people in social media will know where Ikebe Maluga. Now get difference. Now be want to. Rita, you know where's the war? I woke me. But he bought the time in Italian. I had the baby tie. Eti babegbe anya me ya mo po ugbodu gano mo Atiti irano yehuewu
Nia, if you majority near that kind of person, even near I made the sit over together for the same picture. Respect you are full. Or phone. Respect don't finish. Illiterateness no don't go harakwa we go.
As soon as see me when I talk, since when I say anything dog they come out from my mouth. Wa bizarre, wa gbon if Iyore near that kind of person. Iyore will be glad when he know me. Forget school. When he know me. If he say Kukos go Benin come back. Iyore will be glad. When he answer it, Iyore will be glad to know me. Wow. Wa sungurita yemi. We are shawo done egbe maran. Wow, I mean wana we are. Not that we na egbe agia no be any one stupid that shall wait born for 4 men where they count itself to be person for society. If they measure a lot of name. You don't see a lot of better person. You don't see the category where a lot of them. You don't see say you say your husband hold. You don't see what your husband they do for her. He buy house, he put on. He they train he picking for her. He buy new motor again. Now man when he born for now they do all this one for her. You know ashamed of yourself. Go bring one go bring for one corner. When you want go do your marriage. You they talk say 3 years now you just spend for your marriage now. Marriage where they go do where we not see your papa, we not see your mama, we not see siblings, we not see go bring siblings. When I go they do for back of kiosk. Person like me want to do marriage, I go they do one for back of kiosk. You don't see that they prank me with Asaboro duo. Prank me with Asaboro do. See where people do the book Capoli. People do the back cow. People do the send money to my account. People do the send money to Asaboro account. You know what on that day? Wow, Ikman boy. I just wanna go watch them again before we go say we not do the prank. We wanna go watch the prank me with Asaboro. We wanna go find the video where people start to call. Different people from Canada. I mean, Asaboro, go ask Asaboro. Asaboro know how many people when he call from Canada. Say what he needs. I want me the marriage be. All those are people when I don't work for. Where they call them. Go ask. If I say I want marry Iyore, I'll bring and come out today, Iyore will be glad. It will all the life he go there happy. Say this man not go school, wasi ayomeba. He go even to come out now, any theater they carry they go. Oh my year school, wasi ayomeba. He said this year no now, now go take the sing. If you don't know, I dey tell you now. Wow, wagmo. Wagyan. Awa shawo ni gbe mara. Awa shawo no kwa ibra.
Saba na o, wo ba no me Trump. Before I say they call me Enibokun. I say what is this? I know they like all those things. So I carry on a locality go that side.
Hey, where I for call you? Ufu men go come talk truth. Na a platform I call you for a platform once. When you with you know Kokomo the quarry. Now you if you call for that platform that they say Atiti bust your heads. Oh, me with men one enemy. Me with men one enemy. Where we not fit play game. It is say we not be enemy. You call men Mozuana or Lalui. When you with you know Kokomo the quarry of UK. Where we they make settlement they put when I call you a new book where they take your mouth they talk rubbish so say we say what is all this one. As I call you a new book for a men one platform, you call back again. Say Prophet Atiti, you bust my brain. They say you never marry. That word as I take call you a new book all of them. People were in weakness and made they contact the truth. I better go get a Mozuo number and send the number for me. Because of what he talk, I have to call a Mozuo. I have to call a Mozuo. And even though we don't finish, we'll start to quarrel again when I call a Mozuo. The day when me with you know Kokomo the quarrel, but we they try to make it peace for you with you know Kokomo. Or get to you know Kokomo number for Germany for London. May give me. Who got you know Kokomo number for this world when you talk now? I want make us a useless woman in the society. You call in that platform back that they say the way I say Niboku, it is say you never marry, so we all fell in love. Say I boss your day, I make your day. It is almost was we see that video, make come blog and come out now. Make people come shame you. When I call somebody. When I call somebody, maybe the somebody could remember. Hello, Jay. Hello, Jay. Hello. Hey, I know what I talk. Again, that time where you know Kokomo where they for UK with Rita, you made the quarter we want settle them for Umenwa platform. What would they try to settle them? I don't want to put your voice for speaker. You know, say I don't like me your voice come out. Then nobody's way they know you. So you remember when I called the child, when we called the child to settle them, when I called Rita, Niboku, Oriomela, Webezona. You know when Rita call back, he said I make it day, Abi. So I want, if almost will see that video, may come blog her, may take and shame this woman, this away. AB Paris, I beg, I want to beg you, AB Paris, anywhere you are. He get one video when you could come off London with it, when they try to settle in with Rita Iyore for almost a platform. When I can't call put, when I can't say Rita Iyore, I can't talk for Rita Iyore side. When I can't call Anibokun, whether Rita Iyore not call back, that they say I make it day. Say because of me, he forgets. I want maybe Paris bring that video come out for me. That time, you know, come on, wear Rita cloth. Rita wear a cloth come out. Una go know the time when I talk so. Okay, more continue, more plan to go. More plan to go, more plan to go. More plan. Emu jare, fien. Dia pe yan.
Oh, yeah, this me. Now France, na person they do go for life, man, darling people. Let's not they do go back. Anybody when you see, you say, I want to do go back now, back I want. Say, but mommy, you already get man for us now.
I got the power, they can't like one and they put for my head, so. They can't like one and they put for my head, so. I not told the Iyore since when we know for after Paris. All what they do for Iyore when they come out, if this one talk to them, I go attack this one. If this one talk to them, I go attack him. Now because of the good way do for me for Paris, oh. Now make me do all those one. As I come share for Facebook, I supposed to the toast every day. Mona call Iyore comment, whether this way we come Facebook, whether me the prophet Atiti, this song where they shine so. This song where they shine so. Since when we come Facebook, whether me don't talk to Iyore, whether me don't toast Iyore, may Iyore come out for a side song, or may go that is Joma grave. May go swear put. May go that a Joma swear. Apart from what we know for Paris, since when we come Facebook, whether me don't toast Iyore, may go that, whether Iyore they talk like, whether Rita they talk like now, we will know. Whether me they talk like, we will know. My papa tell me say I shall to talk like. Say I shall we nekere, keno kokonoro kenekere, okpaya hin. Hey, uwadogu, wamaru wafio boy, ya aka mu wa we so wa.
It's something. She get her woman, but they always see they say I like you, I like you. Can you imagine? Asabu bubu, but they too far. What is that?
What's a bit?
Your iPad? Yeah. Is it on?
No, it's off.
On it. Oh, go and put it in charge. I lock my door. You see?
Hello?
Mudia. They won't try use juju for that.
Already Asaboro yo. Sapopo. Well, I'm Asaboro already yo. Uduwa agbeluwa. Eroga yuwa ma. Eroga disgrace wa. Yeah, man, he didn't work. That person where they call me just start, they come and find my number, come out and drop her for there. One find my number, come out and drop her for there. Wait. Mama, a number may not be no spend 64, send there your phone. Send there your phone up, need making Gbola there. Because I want to call you by phone. No be 64. Okay. Wait. I bet this number when I take call you, so write and come out for me, send that for me now. This number when I take call you, so write that for me now. One person they call me before I drop the number. May for call this line. You hear? Write that for me now. LOJ. Hello? Oh my, it's your one in Ogbogun.
That one way just they like everybody they go for Facebook. Like married women, like everyone, then I will consider for married women, like they look there like this. After the
Wow, you know, see that way they put for my head. I they like married women. You don't see why people they run for you because of your lies. Because of your lie, Rita, how long can you continue these lies? How long? You two they talk lie. Although my papa tell me say I would they talk lie. This your owner I think no see. You be 100 over 100 lies. Rita, you say Asaboro na be one use Ojuju be one kasha Zoboro. Ojuju be one kasha Saboro. Wow.